Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can perform reverse Google image search on your HUAWEI P60 Pro. So there we now have a Google Lens feature, so I'm gonna show you the other method. We have to open the web browser. Just go to the google.com and now it's very important step, and remember of that, switch your web browser to the desktop side. Now click on this little camera icon and tap on the upload the file. Allow permission and choose the camera or the files. Select the picture that you want to search in the Google, like this one, and the whole process. Sorry, I have to do it again. Like this one. And whole process working automatically, and now we're looking for similar or the same image in the Google picture database. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.